Okay, let it go.
Wow, look at that. Nick's doing the top all by himself. Nick, you're such a big boy.
Nice.
Yay!
High five. Fish pump.
Nice job, Nick.
Bite? What are you biting? Is that
I think his
part of-
mouth hurts, son. It is March 26th.
Oh,
Nick is going to be
no.
22 months old tomorrow. And he's had this top for a little while, and this is the first time that he's been able to get it to go by himself. Try again. Try again.
Keep going faster. Keep going. Okay, let it go. Let it go.
Yay! Nice job, Nick.
Nice.
Yes, nice.
Fish pump.
Say woohoo. Can you say woohoo? Silly.